This is the original Apple AirPods Pro earbuds. It comes with 2 extra ear tips and 1 charging cable. Twice to skip forward, press 3 times to skip back, press and hold to switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. IPX4 sweat and water resistant, USB-C cable lightning connector, connectivity Bluetooth 5.0. Sensors, dual beamforming microphones, inward-facing microphone, dual optical sensors, motion detecting accelerometer, speech detecting accelerometer, force sensor. Up to 4.5 hours of listening time with a single charge, up to 5 hours with active noise cancellation and transparency off, up to 3.5 hours of talk time with a single charge. AirPods Pro with charging case, more than 24 hours of listening time, more than 18 hours of talk time, 5 minutes in the case provides around 1 hour of listening time, or around 1 hour of talk time. Adaptive EQ, vent system for pressure equalization, custom high excursion Apple driver, custom high dynamic range amplifier, so the sound quality are incredible. Check details. Huge order. Purchase link on description below. Worldwide sale. Customer reviews are very well. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share my video.